Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Sreypov.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
How old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
Okay, what's your job?
I'm a student.
And where do you study general education?
I study general education at Sokchea Primary School.
Okay, what grade are you in?
I'm in grade 5.
Oh, and what subject do you like studying?
I like studying my math and English.
And where do you study English?
I study English at school of educational training for whole interested.
Okay, and what's your teacher's name?
My teacher name is Jana.
Okay, and where are you from?
I'm from Cambodia.
What's your nationality?
I'm Cambodian.
Okay, and where do you live?
I live in Pretang village, Chantrai, Community High District, Svay Rieng province.
Okay, and what do you want to be in the future? In the future?
In the future, I want to be soldier.
Okay, very good. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Okay, very good.